Hey guys, welcome to It's a Party. Today's a really fun episode. I'm super excited. I just got my Blackstone Griddle in the mail yesterday.
What in my lucky stars? What?
So today I'm going to show you guys a quick setup, how to set up your Blackstone Tailgater. Let's do it. Get one of those. Oh, we got a bunch of those. Sweet. Let's take that as our hood. This is going to take you about 2 beers, unless you're super fast at building or drinking. It's up to you. All right, should we read the instructions? I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but let's check these out. Step 1, take out the main body, pull out the lever knob, and unfold the legs. So it shows right here, those little tabs will snap right into place, and I totally heard them snap right when I clicked them in. Next step. Insert the lower feet into the upper legs, adjust the height by the markings on the lower feet, and then tighten the thumb screws when you have the feet adjusted to the height you want. Sounds easy enough. Step 3, push on the temperature knobs onto the temperature. We need to work on that phrasing. Here's temperature knob 1 and temperature knob 2. Step 4, assemble griddle top, align griddle top legs to cook grate sockets, seat the griddle top into grate sockets, adjustable screws on the back griddle top allow for leveling cooking surface. You'll notice which side of your tailgater needs the griddle top because the burners are different. The H burner style side is the griddle top and the round burner side is for your grill box or pot. I noticed when I put it down in there, it fit really snug and it's a really secure fit, so that's a bonus. Step 5. That stuff is in this box. Assemble left grill box lid. With a screwdriver, attach the handle using an M1819 screw from within the lid and grill box lid. Now I tightened most of the way down with my fingers. That was fun, but now I'm gonna need a Felipe head on. Step 6, add thermometer and air vent to the grill box lid. The thermometer is secured with a single wing nut. Thermometer, done. Now for the air vent on top, it's got a tiny little hole right in the middle. Let me see that little hole right there. It's gonna line up from the inside. Step 7, complete the grill box assembly by seating the grill box lid onto the base by lining up the back hinges, saddling the limiting ring over the hinge pin holes before driving the hinge pin through the holes. Once the hinge pin has been inserted through the limiting ring and hinge pin holes, that's a tongue twister, secure the hinge pins with the straight pin. Now for this next step, I kind of skipped ahead one. I'm going to take everything out of the grill box so we can get to the bottom so we can put in our base clamp. Step 8, place grill box assembly on the left side grate. The grill box placement legs will line up and the placement sockets on the body grate. To secure your grill box to the left side burner, use the included base clamp. The base clamp is slid onto the front, right, and left side corners of the grill box, clasping the grill box to the base. When preparing a transport, allow grill to cool before removing. That's a good tip so you don't burn yourself. Now we're gonna put it back together. We're gonna start with the flame tamper into the grill box base, and then we'll do our grill grates. Step 10, each drip tray has a punched out tab for hanging. Locate the corresponding hook tab on the right side of the body. Socketing the grease tray to the body will place it directly below the griddle top. Grease runoff. Last but not least is the igniter. Now we're gonna need a battery for this, otherwise it won't light. There we go, all done. Now it's time to season it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see how to season your Blackstone griddle, I'm gonna do the tailgater griddle side on this one. Go ahead and click the link at the end of this video, or you can click it right here in front of my face. You can't even see me anymore, because there's that video. If you click on that video, you will see a step-by-step guide on how to season this bad boy so that it's non-stick and protected from rust. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, with good food and good drinks, it's a party.